So, till now, very few students have joined. Good evening to you all, students. Let's start this session of counseling for this paper, Communication and Information Technology. Am I audible to you all or not?
Yes, ma'am, you are clearly audible, ma'am.
Okay. So, I think it's the first block, and for this Communication and Information Technology, myself, Dr. S.R. Panda, Assistant Professor and KCCT Angul and Utkal University. So I welcome you all to this session of counseling for this communication and information technology paper or course for block 1. Today we will try to discuss about this block 1. I think all of you are having your materials for this MA education course related to communication and information technology. You all are having special paper, and in this particular paper or course, we are having, I think, 4 to 5 blocks. Let us discuss about communication and information technology content, where we will try to understand different units. So unit wise we will move. um, as you know, it's a counseling class, and don't expect that I will teach you something here. All of you are having different types of special paper, and on that basis I think you are getting your materials, your learning materials, books, blogs, everything you are getting. So in this concern, I expect you all will learn something. You all will learn some parts as you are self learner. So you have to learn first. You have to learn, and whenever you are learning something from these books, you may find some kind of doubts, some kind of queries. Those queries, those doubts, we will discuss in this class. So, how many of you are having your self study materials? How many of you have received self learning materials? क्यों मैंने सो बही पाई सारिलानी एई सेकेंड ईयर स्पेशल पेपर टेक्नोलॉजी पेपर रे टेक्नोलॉजी कोर्स रे एनी आइडिया किए कहबे
Yes, ma'am, I have received my material.
जितेंद्र पाई जाइछ आउ के
हाँ मैम बही पाइछि
दुष्मंत
मैं
इतिना दुष्मंत
आगे मैम मु
मैडम पाइजी यस मैडम
राजेंद्र ओके समस्ते प्रायतः पाई जाइछन्ति जो माने ना पाई भी नाहंते से माने जसई जो ज्ञान कोर्स रे पाई जिवे तो so you all have to first learn, and in this class we will discuss about your queries, and if you are having some doubts you can also ask me, and I can also ask you some questions, so that in this paper we can move ahead, we can learn something. So is it clear to you all? So don't
Yes,
think
ma'am.
that I will teach you something. All as you are self-learner, self-learning materials are there with you. So you have to learn, and you have. It is not possible for me to teach you everything for or to complete one block within 1 or 2 hours. So for that purpose, you have to go through these materials fast whenever you are getting time, and whenever you are getting time you are learning something, and you can make a note of it, what you are learning, what are your doubts and queries. Those things we will discuss in this paper. However, I have prepared some slides, though through unit wise we will move ahead, and by that we can also understand. Okay, so in this course, let us move to the slides. So first unit 1 is model and processes of communication. So communication, and whenever you're discussing about communication and information technology, first we have to understand about meaning of communication. So what do you mean by communication? Who is going to say? Communication माने कौन बुझछन्ति?
Ma'am, to interact, communication means to interact with each other about the ideas and experiences.
It's a kind of interaction.
Yes, ma'am.
आ के कहबे
Ma'am, communication means to share our ideas and thoughts with others, and also it's a cyclic process, ma'am. When we make communications, we need to receive some information as well as to we also provide some information. It is a two-way process, ma'am.
इट्स ए टू वे प्रोसेस आ किछि के कहबो So here, communication, the word communication has its origin in the Latin word communis, that means to make common. Okay, something you are making, you want to make common, you want to share something. Okay, so then you are saying about this word communication. So communication facilitates sharing of common experience with others. It involves sharing of an idea, thoughts, feelings, information with others, which include thinking, dreaming, speaking, arguing, and so on. So here we are sharing or we are making some ideas, thoughts, feelings common to others. What is your personal or individual thoughts? You want to make it common to others. You want to share it. Through which process you will share it? Through your communication process. You want to share. Okay. So in your books also, definition of communication is there. So different scholars have defined communication in various ways. Some of them describe it as a transfer of meaning, transmission of stimuli, one mind affecting others, or sharing of experiences on the basis of commonness. So you have to just understand all these definitions. So transferring some meaning or transmission of some stimulus to others, one mind affecting others. So whenever you're communicating, you are influencing others, you are affecting others, sharing of experiences on the basis of commonness. Okay, so you're also sharing your feelings, your experiences. Communication has also been defined as a scientific study which involves the art of communication so that skilled communication can be produced. So, communication is not a very simple way or simple process. You have to learn some art, some skill of communication so that you will be a skilled communicator. So, in the field of education, we have to work with our communication skill as a teacher, as an administrator, or as an educationalist. You have to communicate with your students, colleagues, your teachers, subordinates, or your higher authorities. So, for that purpose, for the benefit of these education activities, you have to communicate properly. Otherwise, what? You cannot work properly. So, communication skill is very essential for educationists. So, technology, that is why it is whenever we are studying technology, again, whenever we are using technology for communication, we must understand what this communication is. ଯଦି communication କ'ଣ ଜାଣି ନ ପାରିବ ICT ତାକୁ use କରିପାରିବନି. So that is why this paper is there, this block, these unit is there, that is models and processes of communication. How we are communicating, what the kind of process we are following, what are those models, okay, through which we are communicating. And these models are nothing but some type of structure, some type of ideas of communication that is given by some educationist, some philosophers, or some kind of teachers. Those things we will discuss in this unit. So now coming to function of communication. कौन सब function अछि कि कहबो हम सब कथा कहले हबनी. What do you mean by what kind of functions this communication process is pursuing or communication process is doing? What are the functions of communication? What kind of functions it is doing or implementing?
Communication helps us to share our ideas. We can give information to others with through the communication. It may be verbal or non-verbal. So the communication plays an important role in our life. We make communications with others to make anything possible. That means if we are able to share our ideas with others, then others can get benefited from that. So communication plays a important role in our society also. Whenever
Yes.
we are in the society, so it's a major part. Communication.
If you're not communicating with others, so how can we share our ideas? How can we transmit our stimulus? So for that purpose, communication is having very important role in our day-to-day life. How ke kahibo? Anything else? What are the other functions? So sharing of information, what you are saying, then education and training. So communication is very, very important in the field of education and training. Good communicators are good teachers. If you are not communicating properly, then your students are also not understanding. You can't give proper education or training to your students. Okay, so it is very important for you to communicate. Okay, so in your you might have observed in B.Ed course also we are giving more important importance to our communication skill, so that our teachers can teach with proper communication skills. Then socialization. So for socialization also, whenever you are communicating with others, we are also getting socialized. We are sharing our idea, and people are also very much interested to interact with us. They are getting socialized with us by this interaction of language interaction. It is nothing but your communication. Another is entertainment. So how can we say that it is one of the function of communication? କେମିତି କହିବା entertainment?
Um, we can say with a story that that gives us amusement. So through that types of communication, we can inspire our children also. We can provide some new information from the childhood days. We have seen that in the primary classes there is some picture story. That means through the pictures we make communication with the small minds. That means we try to inspire through these pictures. So in this type we can make communication effective, ma'am.
Yes. So communication is also important for entertainment. So many students and especially children, they are very much interested for watching cartoons, movies, different type of programs on television. So because in that case also they are communicating, they are giving some messages to our children. Not only children, to adults also. They are whenever they are watching any movie, they are also getting some message. So through that they are getting some kind of entertainment or amusement. Acha. Another is your motivation. Another function is motivation. Anybody tell how this communication process is motivating us?
Ma'am.
કેમથી મોટિવેશન કરતા है મોટિવેટ કરતા है
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, sometimes we have seen in our day-to-day life we feel bored, or we are in such a situation that we are not able to do some work. At that time, some of the people or some of the persons who guide us or tell us about how we can do that. We have the ability to do something. So that time they provide us some information and some examples of great personalities that motivate us. Like that, I can give the examples of the from our mythological story. That means Hanuman. Hanuman is the character. Till the Jamban has not remind him about his power, he cannot jump over the sea. So like that, Jamban motivate Hanuman to jump over the sea, that he has the ability to do the work, but due to lack of motivation, Hanuman couldn't do that. But lastly, due to the motivation provided by the Jamban, helps him to jump over the sea. Like that, communication plays an important role while providing motivation.
Yes, motivation, and we get also motivation from our teachers, parents, colleagues, friends. From their words, also we get some type of inspiration. And without communication, if you are staying somewhere, some people, some of your relatives or some of your colleagues, if they are not talking to you, they are not communicating their feelings, or they are becoming more silent to you, then you will also feel like demotivated. So it is very important that we should communicate in order to get some type of inspiration, in order to provide some type of motivation for others. Then persuasion. What do you mean by persuasion? How it is helping you to pursue something? How this communication process is helping you? All these points are there in your books. I'm just, if you are not, not asking, so we are only asking some questions and discussing, so that anybody having any doubt, they can also resolve their doubt. Persuasion, କି କହିବ କୁହ? Communication ର function ହେଲା persuasion, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ function.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, so through the communication mode, we can pursue anybody else to do some work, ma'am. That means sometimes we have the work, but we need to do the work in a proper manner. So at that time, if we want to do that work by the other person, then we have them.
So we are also pursuing some course, some training, some work, some type of training also we are getting. So in this way also, this communication process is also helping us. So another one is your preservation of culture. So preservation of culture ki କହିବେ କେମିତି communication preservation କରୁଛି culture କୁ? Preservation of culture. How are you thinking this communication process is also helping us to preserve our culture? So through different books, different types of sculpture, different types of poem or folk tales, you may, or stories, you may find they are giving some type of ideas regarding what is best for our culture, what are the different cultural values for that particular area, or also some I mean, in some kind of purana or some type of the stories, we are giving some ideas जोटा कि एबे भी मध्य ताकू आमे follow करूची, some values, some attitude also we are following. So it is also helping us to preserve our culture. So not only through verbal ideas, verbally मते देखियो पुराना लोक माने सब विभिन्न प्रकार कथा कहतନ୍ତି एमती करिया कथा ताकटो आमे मते शिखिता अन्य गुडी जिंस कल्चरल वैल्यूज, कल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस, हाँ, सो सेगुडी को मध्य आमे ଶିଖିଥାଉ ଏବଂ ତା ସହିତ ମଧ୍ୟ କିଛି ରିଟେନ୍ ୱାର୍ଡ ଯୋଉଟା ରହିଥାଏ, ରିଟେନ୍ ବହି ଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ରହିଛି, ସେଇଥିରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ କଲଚର ବିଷୟରେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଥାଉ ଏବଂ ତାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ପ୍ରିଜର୍ଭ କରିଥାଉ. So this is all about functions of communication. अच्छा, next part को ଯିବା, types of communication. So types of communication, under that you are getting 4 types of communication: intrapersonal, interpersonal, group communication, and mass communication. So what do you mean by that? Interpersonal, intrapersonal, କିଏ କହିବ? ପଢିଛ ନା ନାଇଁ? Intrapersonal communication, what do you mean by that? Anybody? Tapaswini?
Intrapersonal communication is expressing our own thoughts, thinking what we think about a book or some other idea.
So intra means what? Intra means within. Within our own self, we are communicating something to our own self. We are thinking something. We are speaking to our own. ଆମେ ନିଜ ନିଜକୁ କିଛି କଥା ହେଇଥାଉ, निजे निजे किछि कथा हम निज विषय रे भाबी थाउ सेटा हेली हमर इंट्रापर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन within the person some type of communication activities are going on. सो वर्तमान तुम भावुव हाँ मु कौन करिया कथा सम टाइम मु किछि डिसीजन नेबा को चाहूची तो विभिन्न प्रकार कथा मु भाबी ताई ना एटा कले ठीक हबो ना सेटा कले ठीक हबो एटा काहे कि मु करबी कौन द जस्टिफिकेशन सो आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग टू अदर्स आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग टू माय सेल्फ आई एम सेल्फ टॉकिंग so that is nothing but intrapersonal, that is the intrapersonal communication. So it is going on in our mind, हम निजे निजे भीतर सहित से सब कथा भाबी थाउ चिंता कर थाउ and we are also trying to convince our own self मु ठीक करछि ना भूल करछि मु को रास्ता रे जीवा कथा कोटा डिसीजन नेबी ए सब विषय रे मु चिंता करथे. Then interpersonal communication, what do you mean by that?
Ma'am, interpersonal communication is communicating with our friends or other. It is a two-way communication, formal, informal, or any type. It can be done within friends, families, or with others.
Yes, the two persons are communicating with each other, that is the interpersonal. Then group communication.
Ma'am, group communication is while we communicate with our group of friends or in a seminar or within our family.
So within a class also we are making some group and this group are working to achieve some kind of goal. So group A, B, C, so group A is having some kind of task and they want to complete that objective or that particular task. So for that this group members are talking to each other. They are working unitedly, they are cooperating with each other or they are communicating for that purpose in order to attain one kind of common goal. सो ग्रुप रे मध्य आमे किछि कथावार्ता हेइथौ जहार कि गोटे कॉमन टारगेट रही थाए. सो ग्रुप टारगेट पाई अचीव पाई ग्रुप कम्युनिकेशन करा जाय थाए. देन मास कम्युनिकेशन, व्हाट इज दैट? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मास कम्युनिकेशन?
Ma'am, it is done through mass media or through radio or electronic media.
So that media is reaching to many people at a time.
Many people.
Many people. So many people are getting some type of ideas. They are getting some type of message at a time. So that is nothing but mass communication. So just like any different type of electronic media, तुमे कहिलो just like television, radio. So that message is moving from that center to many people. That is the mass. Okay, that is the mass communication. Then coming to next slide. So interpersonal se bisare take kohaichi. Intrapersonal communication is a kind of internal dialogue that takes place within an individual while contemplating or conceptualizing and formulating our thoughts or ideas before we actually express them. So before expressing that, we are thinking, we are involved in self-talk, self-dialogue. That is nothing but intrapersonal. Within the person, some communication is going on. Then interpersonal, when two persons communicate with each other, the communication is interpersonal. Then group communication, we have already discussed. Different groups are there in order to achieve one common objective or goal. They discuss with each other. They provide some type of feedback to each other through different type of seminar, educational activities. This type of communication is observable. Then mass communication. Here communication takes place simultaneously with the help of electronic device in which an institution is involved. These electronic devices are known as mass media such as print, radio, television, internet. The audience is mass. Mass means many people. Okay, many people are involved in it. Then coming to models of communication. So model is a graphical representation designed to explain the way of variable works. This is the graphical representation. Models means some type of graphical representation we are showing so that we can understand how this communication process is going on. So it's a pattern, plan, representation or description designed to show the structure of working of an object system or concept. A model of communication offers a convenient way to think about it by providing a graphical checklist of its various elements. Some type of important models are here in your book. You can also see Shannon and Weber model. Okay. So what this Shannon and Weber model is a very popular model. In the year 1949 it is developed. So in this model you can observe some type of process is going on with respect to communication. What you are observing here? So here at the left side you are observing that some type of information source is there. This information source is sending some message, okay, and it is getting transmitted in the form of signal to a particular channel, and through that channel some receiver is there who is receiving that signal, and again message is going to the destination. So this is the model. So information source is there, it is moving to a particular destination is there, and within that path you will find some transmitter, channel and receiver. This type of technique is there. जेटा आम कौन प्रकार वार्ता प्रेरण करुचे गोटे इनफॉरमेशन सोर्स रोचे से ट्रांसमिट होना डेस्टिनेशन को जाउची थ्रू रिसीवर. ओके, सो डिफरेंट चैनल्स आर देयर. सो नाउ दिस मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी जेटा आम कहूचे जे आम विभिन्न सैटेलाइट गुड़िक यूज करवा से टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट्स गुड़ाक यूज करवा. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ मॉडल इज वेरी मच पॉपुलर एट दैट टाइम. एई भलिया ही आमे याकू तयारी करबा এবং মেসেজটাকে আমি পঠাই পারিবা. ওকে, ইনফরমেশন সোর্স রু ডেস্টিনেশন পর্যন্ত. সো সেটা সে গোটে মডেল দেইथिले. সো যদি एग्जाम রে আসলে তোমাকে এই মডেলটা এই ভলে তুমি মনে রাখিथिबो, তাকু তুমি ড্র করিয়াকু পড়িও তম মানকু. হলা আউ গোটে মডেল সেন্তিয়া এইটি যদি দেখিয়া Shannon Weber they have given importance to transmitter, channel और receiver एगुडा को importance देचंदी, मेसेज को देचंदी. But whenever you are going to another model, Charles Osgood's model 1954, they have given emphasis to encoder, interpreter and decoder. एगुडा को ऊपर से emphasis देचंदी. So encoding होउची ताको interpret करा होची एवं ताको again decoding करा जाउची मेसेज को. Okay, so देखो एटी कोन होउची. हां, there is a dynamic process where which there is a interactive relationship between the source and receiver. सोर्स और रिसीवर भितर गोटे रिलेशनशिप रहउची थ्रू द मेसेज. हां, सोर्स आउ बिटवीन द सोर्स एंड रिसीवर ऑफ द मेसेज. द इंडिविजुअल एंगेज्ड इन द कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस सेंड्स एज वेल एज रिसीव्स मेसेज. एज सच एनकोड, डिकोड एंड इंटरप्रेट. व्हाट इज एनकोडिंग? एनकोडिंग ऑफ मेसेज. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दैट?
Encoding means to combine the message, ma'am.
Prepare the message in a systematic pattern. Okay, so
Yes,
in a
ma'am.
pattern they are preparing the message, and that message is getting interpreted or analyzed. Okay, किसी समय आमे नौ जे ताको analyze करिया पई, interpret करिया पई, एवं फाइनली ताको decode करा जाउची बा ताको पूरा पूरी बुझी के ताको understand करा जाउची. हैला. So that process where we are interpreting, that means we are analyzing that message, and decoding means we are understanding fully what that message is. Okay, so it is source or receiver ei bhale ta gote relationship rahuchi. Okay, so encoding hela, then it is interpreted, this message is interpreted and it is also decoded by the receiver. Okay, so धर यदि एटा भी एपटू भी जे एनकोडिंग होची, लेफ्ट साइड सेटा डिकोडिंग होची. दैट इज द चार्ल्स ऑस्गुड मॉडल. आउट होची स्क्रैम मॉडल. In the year 1954 again it is given. It's a very simple human communication model, and to more complicated one जदि हम कहबा जदि ताकू तापरे आ गोटे भी अछि देखिबो. इज फास्ट मॉडल, इटा प्रथम मॉडल ता से बनैथिले ओटे सिंपल वे रे सोर्स from where this message is getting prepared and is also encoded. ताकू गोटे pattern रे ताकू बना हला, and through some signal it is moving and is decoded by the destination. This is the SCRAM model. So source, destination, ଆଉ ତା ଭିତରେ ରହିଲା encoding ଆଉ decoding through some signal. The decoding ତାକୁ ସେ ପାଇଛନ୍, decoder ମାନେ ପାଇକି ତାକୁ decoding କରିକି ସେ destination को ଯାଉଛି. So it's a graphical representation of some communication process. केमती होଉଛି ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ସେଟା ଦିଆଯାଇଛି. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ, ତାର ଗୋଟେ circular model ବି ସେ ତିଆରି କରିଥିଲେ SCRAM. ତାର ବି ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛି, ତମେ ବହିରେ ଦେଖିବ. field of experience जोटा के रहिला सोर्स, एनकोडिंग, डेस्टिनेशन जोटी रहिला सेटा डिकोडिंग करा जाउची फील्ड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस सिग्नल थ्रू रे. सिग्नल टा गोटे माध्यम, ता थ्रू रे ताकू से माने पाउछथि एवं ताकू अगेन डिकोड करूछथि. ओके, तो यदि पढ़ला एई भले ही तुमको माने रखि देबो, एग्जाम रे तुमको लेखिया को पड़ियो. Then communication process. In this communication process, some types of ideas or some types of elements are there. Some elements of communications are source, message, channel, receiver, noise, and feedback. Source means from which person or a machine or individual that message is getting created or encoded. Message means what? What do you mean by message? Some type of idea, thoughts, language, or verbal statements, words जोटा के में कहे पाइबा सिग्नल एउडा को सब गोटे किछि जिंस जोटा डे आइडिया हमर रहिछि सेटा तमर मेसेज, and it moves through one kind of channel or some type of medium. Channel means some type of medium, and it is received by the receiver, and again receiver gives some type of feedback to the source. Okay, and noise comes when this message is moving from the source to receiver. So sometimes this noise is creating hurdles for understanding that message by the receiver. So ita gote noise gote तार गोटे एलिमेंट रहुची जोटा कि बेले बेले आमे कोनसी मेसेज को बुझी पाइ न थाए, कारण किछि प्रकार नॉइज हला, किछि प्रॉब्लम्स असला, साउंड हला, आमे सेडा को सुनी पाइ न थाए. दैट इज द अनदर एलिमेंट. आ फीडबैक किए देइ थाए? हु इज गिविंग फीडबैक?
And the receiver.
रिसीवर. मेसेज पहुंचला परे फीडबैक माने कोन? सम टाइप ऑफ तार गोटे रिस्पांस टू दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टिमुलस ऑफ मेसेज. जहां भी असला मेसेज ताकू किछि गोटे रिस्पांस से माने देइ थांती. Now coming to barriers in communication. So what are those barriers that is creating problem in understanding the message? Some type of physical barriers, psychological barriers, sociocultural barriers, linguistic barrier, technical barriers, barriers due to information load. कोउटा बुझी पारना कुह. What is physical barrier? के कहबो को?
Ma'am,
Physical
physical barrier may be that's one types of barrier that just gives the receiver the chance to not to receive the information correctly, ma'am. It's one types of barrier that the physical surroundings. And if I give an example, then if I lock myself in a room, then if someone is speaking outside, then I may not hear their conversation. That's one types of physical barrier, ma'am. And another that I give that if there is so many noise outside my home or outside my room, then I may not hear them properly. That is one types of physical barrier.
very good. Sound, noise, some kind of barriers like physical barrier like kichi wall rahi gala, distance rahi gala, then also we are not able to understand. Psychological barriers.
Ma'am,
Very
psychological barriers means I can give an example. That means if I am not interested, that means my the mood is off. That means I am not interested to hear something. If the speaker is speaking, but my psychological condition is not good, I am still there in my physical mode. That means my body is there, but my mind is absent. That means I am not receiving any information from the speaker. So
Yes.
like that time it may call the psychological barrier, ma'am.
Hmm. The socio-cultural barrier କିଏ କହିବ? ତପସ୍ୱିନୀ, ଦୁଷ୍ମନ୍ତ, ଇତିନା ଅର୍ଚ୍ଚନା କୁଆଡେ ପଳେଇଛ ସବୁ?
Man, socio-cultural barrier represents that barrier of not communicating with others effectively. Like in hospitals, when women go, they say that female doctors should be there. We will talk to the female doctors.
So society is creating hurdles for
Yes,
communicating
yes, ma'am.
social beliefs, social
Yes,
taboos, or social superstition, or their cultural practices that is not allowing for the proper communication. So it is another type of barrier. Linguistic barrier, it is very easy, you know, language wise. Suppose someone is saying in Hindi, someone is speaking with Odia, then it is very difficult for them to understand each other. Okay. Then technical barriers. Suppose we are talking to each other through this internet. Suppose the internet problem may be there, or some kind of weather, due to some weather. If this internet facility will not be there, then again we will not communicate through this online class. Then it is a technical barrier. So barriers due to information load. What is that? Information load.
That means, ma'am, I think due to information load means that if a person know a lot of things, that means he has so many information about a particular topic. But when he receives something new, at that time he cannot relate the information or the message with his previous knowledge properly, and he misunderstood that. That means at that time it may be called the information load. That means previously he had many information inside his mind, but at that time he cannot relate it properly with the new information.
Yes. So to the point, a response will not given by that particular person. Some other things they will tell you. Whenever we are communicating with them, that they are not they are not communicating with that particular point. So to the point communication, you will not observe. Again, they will talk some other things. Due to their more information, due to their information load. Okay. So these are some of the barriers of communication. Okay. Then coming to strategies for effective communication. So for the effective communication, we need some type of ways, some type of solutions, some type of strategies. By that, we can talk easily, communicate easily, in effectively. So what are those? First is your clarity of message. So whatever we are saying, it must be clear, simple to others, and it should not be overloaded with some words that will not be understood by others. Then reinforcements of ideas. So motivating appearance, reinforcement is very important. Okay, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କଥା କହିବା ସେତେବେଳକୁ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ କଲା ବେଳକୁ we should not give some negative reinforcement. Positively we should provide motivation to others whenever we are talking. Then appropriate channel, what is that?
Ma'am, appropriate channel means we have to provide information with proper channel. That means I can give an example that in a school situation, if we want to provide some information to the student and we ask one of them to provide that information, the student goes to the class and just declare that our teacher has told to come early in the morning tomorrow. That will be not effective as if the teacher himself goes to the class and declares it that tomorrow you all have to come at 8 a.m. So that means the information that provided with proper channel, that means the teacher has provided the information has more value rather than the information provided by the student. So at that time appropriate channel is the teacher. With that example I can clarify that appropriate channel means we have to provide the information with proper channel. That means the information can be effective and understood by others.
Suppose we want to give information to many students or many people, then we should select some mass media related electronics. किछिटा जिनस आमे समस्ते धर बहुत जन को जणायକୁ चाहूचे तो जन को न कहि कि आमे गोटे एमितिका मीडिया नबा जोतरे कि समस्त को आमे इन्फॉर्मेशन जणाई परिबा जेमति आमे कहि परिया जे नै आमे फोन रे व्हाट्सएप अछि सेहितरे कहि देई परिबा कि ऑफिस वेबसाइट अछि सेहितरे आमे नोटिस टाको पब्लिश कर देबा so that many students they will get aware of that particular information. So appropriate channel means we have to select through some type of channel or some type of media through which our information will reach to that particular subject or subjects. Okay, बहुत important. Then motivation. So already ଆମେ discussion କରୁଥିଲେ motivation it is very important. ସେଥିରେ ଆମେ କହୁଛେ effectively ଆମେ communicate କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛେ motivating gesture posture or words ସେଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଆମେ ରଖିବା so that our students our colleagues they will get effective effective words or effective message from us. Then proper environment जोटा आमे कहूजे जे कोनसी प्रकार बेरियर नथिबो कोनसी प्रकार साउंड रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम नथिबो हर्डल्स नथिबो प्रॉपर एनवायरनमेंट रे कम्युनिकेट करबा हमें ताकू जोटी एमती सेमती कम्युनिकेट जदी जेमती कहउले जे टीएसआर जे उडे टीचर कहले ठीक हबो तो सेमती नै उडे भलो एनवायरनमेंट जले पिला माने सुनिया को चाहूतिबे उडे प्रॉपर एनवायरनमेंट हेतिबो एकेडमिक एनवायरनमेंट हेतो सेही टाइम रे ही हमें किछि डिक्लेयर करबा सो दैट इट विल बी मोर इफेक्टिव. Then feedback strategies for effective communication आउ गोटे बहुत important element हला तुमरा feedback. So feedback should be given to the source or encoder. Then only we can say it's a effective communication. If you are saying something and your response your respondents they are not giving you any kind of feedbacks ताले कोन हम क्लास रे पढौछु पिला माने केवल बसचନ୍ତି किछि कहू नांती ताले कोन हम तमे कहि परिबो जे सेही कम्युनिकेशन टा इफेक्टिव हो because they are not participating as we are telling that this communication is a two-way process. So whenever you are asking something and your students are replying, that means this communication is effective. This communication is having some type of value. If they are not saying something, that means they are not participating and they are also not interacting. That process is not a very effective one. एमती आमे कहि परिया. ओके आउ गोटे मॉडल रही जाइतिला मुझे पछे को रखि दिछि गोटे हला लासवेल मॉडल इन द ईयर 1948 सेतरे गोटे मॉडल रही छि जे कम्युनिकेशन रो किछटा क्वेश्चंस हमें पचारि परिबा who says what in which channel to whom with what effect. So in this way also it is another very important model jotre ki we are asking some questions like who says what kiye hala kon कहले in which channel को channel रे कहले काहा को कहले to whom with what effect को effect रे बा को aspect रे ताको कुहाला. So it is a good model rohi chamra Laswell model. So this is the end of unit 1. We are having another unit 2, communication for education and training. So as we have discussed earlier that communication is very important for education and training process. ता उपरे आउ गोटे unit मध्ये रहिछि. So nature of educational communication. So without communication, our education and training cannot be fulfilled. So education रे आसला माने तुमको communicate करिया को ही पड़ियो. तमे silently educate करि परिबनी काहाको बा काहाको ट्रेनिंग देई परिबनी. So the purpose of educational communication allows the source that could be the teacher who will share information with learners for a variety of purposes. The positive nature of educational communication allows the source to attach certain positive values to what one communicates. It contributes to the harmonious integration of individual society. Communication for education and training is also pragmatic. Okay, it's very practical. So whenever we are talking to our students, we are not talking about theoretical aspect only. We have to also very practical. This implies that the purpose of communication is a practical point of view. Okay. So whenever we are communicating at the educational setup, we are having some goals or targets. It may be related to with certain changes in learners' behavior, leading to development of special skills and techniques, or showing them how to carry out a particular process. तो ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେଟ୍ କରୁଛେ କ୍ଲାସରୁମ୍ ସିଚୁଏସନରେ ଆମେ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେଟ୍ କରୁଛେ କାହିଁକି କରୁଛେ କାରଣ ଆମର ମେନ୍ ଟାର୍ଗେଟ ହେଲା ଆମେ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣର୍ସକୁ ମୋଡିଫାଏ କରିବା ୱିଥ୍ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଦେୟାର ବିହେଭିୟର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲିଡିଂ ଟୁ ଦେୟାର ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ସମ୍ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ ସ୍କିଲ୍ସ ସେମାନେ କିଛି ଶିଖନ୍ତୁ ଟେକ୍ନିକ୍ ଶିଖନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କର ବିହେଭିୟରରେ ମଡିଫିକେସନ ହଉ ଅଲ୍ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉ ଏଇଥିପାଇଁକା ଆମେ ସେଇଠି ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା ବା କମ୍ୟୁନିକେଟ୍ କରିବା ବା କିଛି ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ ସେମାନେ ଶିଖନ୍ତୁ. So debate, argument, and public speaking are the example of pragmatic nature of communication. So we are whenever talking, so we are also are organizing different type of debates, argument, public speaking. So that practically our student can also communicate with each other, and it will also influence or facilitate their decision making power. So okay, so so it is having different purposes. Educational communication pragmatic purpose ରହିଛି ବା practical purpose ଗୁଡାକ ରହିଛି. It is also having some importance for providing certain positive values to our students. କିଛି ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର affective domain ରେ କିଛି development ହଉ, cognitive aspect ରେ କିଛି development ହଉ ବା psychomotor development ହଉ ଏସବୁକୁ ଆଖି ଆଗରେ ରଖିକି ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କର all round development ପାଇଁ communicate କରିଥାଉ. So now coming to approaches to educational communication. So the same thing what we have discussed: intrapersonal communication, interpersonal communication, group communication. ये सब जिनस गुड़ाक रही approaches. को approach रे आमे communicate करवा, को direction रे communication approach माने को direction रे communication करा जाई थाए. तो सही जिनस जोटा पढ़ी थिले जेमति different types तो से गुड़ा कहला तुमरा इंट्रापर्सनल, interpersonal, group communication, mass communication. So these are some of the approaches of communication. So different types of communication आमे जदि कहिबा आउ किछिटा तो गोटे होउची contiguous communication. What is that? So in contiguous communication, the communicator who in educational communication happens to be the teacher. In the teach is in teach with touch with receivers, learners. The communication process takes place in the unbroken sequence. It allows proximity between sender and receiver. Classroom communication and individual instruction in the formal education system can be placed under contiguous communication. So directly teacher and students, they are in a very proximal environmental setting and they are discussing with each other. Teacher is sending some messages, students are also receiving something and they are also discussing with each other. So they are very nearer to each other, contiguous. ମାନେ ପାଖରେ ପାଖରେ ସେମାନେ ଥାଇକି ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବେ ଏବଂ ନର୍ମାଲି ଯେକୌଣସି କ୍ଲାସରୁମ୍ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ କୁ ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା କଣ୍ଟିଜିୟସ୍ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ସେଇଭଳିଆ. And what about non-contiguous communication? When in a non-contiguous communication, the sequence of communication is broken and the communicator, teacher, is not in direct touch with the receiver or learners. Okay, so here teacher ଆଉ student ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ହେଇ ନଥାଏ, गोटे एटा गोटे मेसेज टा बा सीक्वेंस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन टा एटा गोटे ब्रोकन लेवल रे हेई थाए and they are not in direct in classroom discussion. So classroom discussion रे direct जेमती करथले continuous discussion से continuous communication से भलिया कर नथांती. So केतले हेई थाए एटा when large number of dispersed learners are being reached with the help of different media such as radio, television, computer, internet, and there is no direct touch between the teacher and learners, and the sequence in the communication is broken. It can be categorized as non-contagious communication. So suppose you are sending some messages to me, or you are giving some email to me, or some kind of letters you are writing to me with respect to your project or your assignment. So that is a non-contagious communication. Okay, so suppose you are messaging me through WhatsApp or email. So I'm also, after some time also, I'm discussing with you on the internet, on internet or through computer technology. So that is a non-contagious. So we are not interacting in direct classroom situation. Okay, so this is the difference between non-contagious and contagious communication. बुझिएला?
Yes, ma'am.
तापरे आउ गोटे तमरो देइची सिंक्रोनस कम्युनिकेशन asynchronous communication तार गोटे डिफरेंस देइची. So what is synchronous communication? So communication happens in real time with participants expecting an immediate response. So आमे जोटे एटी आउ गोटे डिफरेंस हला एटा कोन communication does not happen in the real time or immediate response are not expected. So आमे जो एटी online counseling करूछे, tell me whether it's a synchronous communication or asynchronous communication.
Ma'am, synchronous.
Yes, we are communicating in real time situation. Real time interaction is there. Okay. For example, in person meetings, video call, chat. So it's a video call. Google Meet video call allows for quick feedback and fast collaboration. It is the synchronous communication. Through technology, we are communicating with each other through a particular internet media, and it happens in the real time situation. माने जदि तमोर एठी तमरा मोर 7:57 हेची तुमर मते सेई टाइम 7:57 रे तुमे मो संगरे कम्युनिकेशन करूछो बा डिस्कशन करूछो, जदि किछि क्वेश्चन पचारि तुम फीडबैक मध्ये दोछो. It's a synchronous communication. But whenever we are moving to asynchronous communication, the examples are email, message boards, pre-recorded videos, etc. Prioritizes individual focus and flexibilities. Suppose you are saying that mo pakhre ebe time nahi 7:58 रे मोर अलगा आ गोटे मीटिंग अछि, मु क्लास नउची, मु निजे इन्वॉल्व अछि कोन ट्यूशन रे बा कोनसी पर्सनल काम रे इन्वॉल्व अछि, ए काउंसलिंग क्लास मु करि परिबी नाही. Okay, so your Ajay sir is recording it. They are having that records. Okay, so they will send it to you. Whatever we have discussed after 9 p.m. at 10 p.m. somebody is watching. Okay, and again they are also getting same type of benefit what you are getting. Same type of discussion से माने भी देखु चंदी से माने भी recorded video देखिले भी जाओ जने जी class करना. So that is a asynchronous type of communication जोटा कि से माने मध्ये किछि बुझी पारछंदी, से माने अलगा टाइम रे आ किछि समय मध्ये रे बुझी पारछंदी. और किछि ईमेल मु तमे पठेरा 7:57 रे एवं किछि समय परे 10:57 रे मु गोटे ईमेल पठे मो टाइम अनुसार, तो अलगा टाइम अनुसार आमे ताको कम्युनिकेट करले, इंस्टेंट कम्युनिकेशन होउने. That is the asynchronous type of communication. बुझिएला?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Another type of communication is direct and mediated communication. So very easy कि कहबो direct और mediated communication with the difference कोन?
Ma'am, direct communication means the communication made within two persons. That means in direct contact, face-to-face mode or over telephone. that types of communication is direct communication. That means information I pass to other person and the other person passes the information to me. But in mediated communication, I can't pass the information to the person I want to give the message, but with other person or other media, I give the message to the person. So that is mediated communication.
Ma'am, in direct communication, it's a class communication, and in mediated communication, we communicate the media, the radio or television or any
Internet.
electronic
Hmm.
email and blogs, etc.
Hmm. So directly, whenever your teacher is teaching in contact with the students, then it is the direct communication. And mediated means, suppose that communication is going through some kind of media, okay, television, radio, or any other electronic media like computer, CD, internet, or any other recorded version, recorded video, then it is called as mediated communication. So another from another point of view, we can also distinguish direct and mediated communication. So electronic communication, electronic, what do you mean by electronic communication? So electronic media we are using here through internet and mainly email. এটা ସବୁ ইলেকট্রনিক কমিউনিকেশন অন্ডরে যাଉଛି। ইন্ଟরনেট ତ ଏବେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବେଶୀ ପପୁଲାର ଏବଂ ଇମେଲ ଥ୍ରୁରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବହୁତ କଥା ପିଲାମାନେ ପଚାରିଥାନ୍ତି। ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସଆପ୍ ଏବେ ଆସିଗଲାଣି, ସୋସିଆଲ ମିଡିଆ, ସୋ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରୋନିକ ମିଡିଆ ତାକୁ ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା କିଛିଟା। Okay, so some strategies are there here, in your books also it is there. Communication for training. So whenever we are providing training to our stakeholders, at the time we are using some strategies. So education ପାଇଁ ତ ବୁଝିଗଲା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାରର strategy ରେ ଆମେ ପଢଉଛେ। So what about the training process? So କେମିତି ଆମେ training କରିବ? What do you mean by training? Training କ'ଣ?
Ma'am, training means to move to give some information to other person to make some changes in his behavior so that they can act differently. That means I can give an example that the training may be given to the human beings as well as the animal also. We train them through proper process so that they act like as per the desired outcome will be there. As per our instruction, they have to act. And training plays a vital role when we give training to the animal in a zoo or any other things. We give some food to the animal and it acts like that. Through that process we give that types of stimuli again and again, and the animal tries to act like that, ma'am.
Okay. So some type of training means some type of skills they will develop among themselves, some type of behavior they will acquire, and they will behave. Okay. So for the development of any kind of skill competencies, we have to provide training. So for whenever we are saying about we have to communicate for training program, we can use different strategies. So what are those strategies? Lecture, discussion, workshop, brainstorming, induction or orientation program, apprenticeship, internship, debate, study tour, boss sessions, demonstration, case study, এইଭଳିଆ different type ର ଆମେ strategies ଗୁଡାକ ନେଇ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ବା ଆମ student ମାନଙ୍କୁ training ଦେଇପାରିବା। So କୋଉଟା ବୁଝିପାରୁନ କୁହ ୟା ଭିତରୁ? ଏତିକି ଯୋଉ କୁହାଗଲା, ଲେକ୍ଚର ତ ବୁଝୁଥିବ, ଲେକ୍ଚର ମାନେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଡେସ୍କ୍ରିପସନ ଦେବେ ଟିଚର। Discussion means some questions will be given to the students and they will try to ask they will provide answer to that particular question and some kind of discussion, ଆଲୋଚନା ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା। What do you mean by workshop? କର୍ମଶାଳା. So here in workshop they have to complete some task, some type of work they have to conduct. Brainstorming, what is that?
And
Brainstorming.
some activity,
Hmm.
yes ma'am, some activity is given to the students
Hmm.
so that the student can use their brain. That means they have to work, they have to use their reasoning power, their knowledge, previous knowledge, so that they will be engaged in a work, ma'am,
Hmm.
so that their brain will be used in such a manner. That means we are challenging their knowledge and brain, ma'am.
Hmm. Some type of task will be given, or some type of question or problem will be given to the students, so that they will think about that. And that storming means କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ବିଜୁଳି ବା କୌଣସି ଘଡଘଡି ଯେମିତି ବ୍ରେନ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ବିଦ୍ୟୁତ ଖେଳିଯିବ, କ'ଣ ହବ ୟାର ଆନ୍ସର, ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବି। ହଁ, ସୋ ସେଇ ଭଳିଆ କିଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ ଦିଆହବ, ସେମାନେ ତାର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଆନ୍ସର କ୍ରିଏଟିଭଲି ତାକୁ ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିବେ। ତାହେଲେ ଇଣ୍ଡକ୍ସନ ଓରିଏଣ୍ଟେସନ, କୌଣସି ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣି ନାହାନ୍ତି କୌଣସି ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ, ତାକୁ ସେଇ ବିଷୟରେ ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ ଆମେ କହିବା। ଧର କୌଣସି ନୂଆ ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟରେ ଆସିଛି, ଏନଭାୟରମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଆୱାରନେସ୍ ଉପରେ ବା ଏଡ୍ସ ଉପରେ, ସେମାନେ ଟୋଟାଲ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ ବିଷୟରେ, ତ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଓରିଏଣ୍ଟ କରିବା। ଆପ୍ରେଣ୍ଟିସିପ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ସମ୍ ଟାଇପ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ, ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆମେ ସେମାନେ ଜଣେ ସୁପରଭାଇଜର ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ରହିକି କିଛି ଶିଖିବେ। ଜଣେ ତାକୁ କିଛି ଗାଇଡ୍ କରିବେ ଏବଂ ସେମାନେ କୌଣସି ସ୍କିଲ୍କୁ ଶିଖିବେ। ଇଣ୍ଟର୍ନସିପ୍ ଜାଣିଥିବ, ଇଣ୍ଟର୍ନସିପ୍ ଯେମିତି ବିଏଡ୍ରେ ଅଛି, କିଛି ଦିନ ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଯାଇକି ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ କାମ କରିବେ ଏବଂ ସେଇ ଗୋଟେ ପିରିୟଡ଼ ସେମାନେ କିଛି ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ଅନୁଭୂତି ଆଣିବେ। ଡିବେଟ୍, ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା କୌଣସି ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟରେ ନେଗେଟିଭ ହଉ ପଜିଟିଭ ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ କିଛି କହିବେ, ପରସ୍ପର ସହିତ ତର୍କ ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତା ହବ। ଷ୍ଟଡି ଟୁର୍, କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟଡି ଟୁର୍ରେ ବି କରିପାରିଥାଉ, କିଛି ଜାଗାକୁ ନେଇକି ପିଲାକୁ ବୁଝେଇ ପାରିବା। ବସ୍ ସେସନ କ'ଣ, ଗୋଟେ ଟାଇମଲି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସ କରିବାର ଅଛି, କିଛି ସମୟ ଦିଆଯିବ, ତା ଭିତରେ ହିଁ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ର ଆନ୍ସର ଦେବେ, ସେଭଳିଆ। ଡେମୋନଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ, ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନ, କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନ କରିବ, ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ ଡେମୋନଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ହେଇପାରେ ବା ଆଉ କୌଣସି ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟି ଉପରେ ଡେମୋନଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ଆମେ ଦେବା, ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଉପରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଖିକି ସେମାନେ କିଛି ଶିଖିବେ। ଧର ଟିଚର ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଟିଚିଂର ଡେମୋନଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ଦେଇପାରିବା, ଯୋଉଥିରେ ସେମାନେ ଜଣେ ଟିଚର ଯିଏ ହେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି ପ୍ରି ସର୍ଭିସରେ ଅଛି, ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଖିପାରିବ ଯେ କେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଆଇଡିଆଲ ଟିଚିଂ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି ଏବଂ ସେଇ ଡେମୋନଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନରୁ ସେ କିଛି ଶିଖିବ। କେସ୍ ଷ୍ଟଡି, that means they have to think about a particular case or individual or a particular institution in depthly, and they will give a report on that. So training ରେ ଆମେ case study ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଉପରେ କେସ୍ କୁ ନେଇକି ତାକୁ ବା କୌଣସି ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ କୁ ନେଇକି, ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ବିହେଭିୟରାଲ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି, ଗୋଟେ ପିଲାର ଗୋଟେ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡର କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ରହୁଛି, ତାକୁ ନେଇକି ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ହିସାବରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଷ୍ଟଡି କରିପାରିବେ। ତ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ଫର ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ରେ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରାଟେଜିସ୍ ଗୁଡାକ ଆସୁଛି। ଦେନ୍ ପ୍ଲାନିଂ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ଫର ଏଜୁକେସନ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ, କୋଉ କୋଉ ୱେରେ ଆମେ ତ ଜାଣିଲେ କିଛିଟା, ଆଉ କେମିତି ଆମେ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ କରିବା, କେମିତି ପ୍ଲାନ୍ କରିବା ଗୋଟେ ଏଜୁକେସନାଲ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ବା ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ପାଇଁ, କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ କେମିତି ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବା। ସୋ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇଜ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଅଫ appropriate topic, then setting realistic goals, know your learners, proper organization of content. सो फास्ट ऑफ ऑल को टॉपिक रे हमको कम्युनिकेट करिया अछि, धरंतु हमें एनवायरमेंटल अवेयरनेस ऊपर कम्युनिकेट करिया को चाहछु, ता ऊपर ट्रेनिंग दा को चाहछु, तो से टॉपिक टा हमको सिलेक्शन करिया पड़िबो। एनवायरमेंटल अवेयरनेस, हां, जेंडर बायसनेस बा जेंडर इनक्वालिटी इक्वालिटी ए विषय हमें कहया को चाहछु। सो सेटिंग द रियलिस्टिक गोल, तार गोल हमको सेट करिया पड़िबो जे हमें कोन पिला जे भी हमर टारगेट ग्रुप अछंती ताको हमें को भलिया जदि हमें कम्युनिकेट करूछे, तार आउटपुट कौन बाहर भर कौन बिहेवियरल चेंजेस आसिबो। दोस टाइप ऑफ रियलिस्टिक गोल्स वी हैव टू सेट। देन नो योर लर्नर्स, सो टारगेट ग्रुप्स, हु आर दे and what are their characteristic features, what are those their interest, their capabilities, skills, ताको मध्ये हमको देखिया को पड़िबो। तापरे हमें गुटे कम्युनिकेशन को डिजाइन करिबा। देन प्रॉपर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ कंटेंट, so simple to complex logical design of content is very important. जे तुम प्रथम रु गोटे कॉम्प्लेक्स कथा कहइबो ताहले पिला ताकू बुझी परिबे नै, ताकू धीरे धीरे सिंपल टू कॉम्प्लेक्स वे रे लॉजिकल वे रे ताकू हमें एनालाइज करिके ताकू structure करिबा बा ताको organize करिबा content को, then only our communication process will be more effective. So for planning that communication, we have to first select the topic, set the goals, understand our learners, and again we have to organize our content effectively. Now coming to some skills related to communication. कौन सब रही? Verbal skill, writing skill, listening skill, questioning skill. What do you mean by verbal skills?
Verbal skills means the skills we use to communicate. That means we are speaking we are using our mouths to speak something. That's means verbally. We are making communication verbally. That means it is a verbal skill, and verbal skill also important plays a very important role in our day-to-day life, ma'am. Because if we cannot make a good conversation, then the other person cannot understand our thought, and this communication will not be so effective as we want.
Hmm. So verbal skills requires different types of preparation, vocabulary, knowledge in vocabulary, and speech. केमती हमें स्पीकिंग स्किल्स हमर भल थिबा कथा से सब विषय, तापरे भल से प्रोनाउंसिएशन करि पारथुवा कथा, भल पॉज नै कि कहि पारथुवा कथा, ये सब आसी आउची verbal स्किल. राइटिंग स्किल्स, लेखिबा स्किल, केमती हमें लेखुचे, हैंड राइटिंग भल थिबो, ताको वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर रे लेजिबल हैंड राइटिंग रे हमें लिखि पारथुवा, स्पीडीली लिखि पारथुवा, बुझी पारथुवा, तो सेटा हला तमरो राइटिंग स्किल रे आसुची. लिसनिंग स्किल, व्हाट इज दैट?
Ma'am, listening to actively what the teacher is speaking or some other one is speaking.
Listening. So we have to also patiently wait for the speaker. कौन से कहउचंदी, हम बेले बेले कहि तो किछि कंप्लीट हला आगुरु हमें ऊपरे चढ़ी किना कथा हे जे थाउ. So it's not a very good type of skill. We have to first understand what others are saying, then only we have to speak. So listening skill is very important, and your gesture and posture must be such that the other part, other students, they or other person, they must realize that you are interested for his or her words. तुम एमिति भाव तुमरा पोजीशन नॉन वर्बल गेस्चर पोजीशन थिबा कथा, जेमति तमे कथा कहिला बेलकु बा सुनिला बेलकु अन्य माने सुनि जति कहउचंदी, सेते तमे एभଳି तमे तमर व्यवहार थिबा कथा, जेमति कि से माने तमे जानि परिबो जे से माने भाबिबे जे हां दैट अदर पर्सन इज इंटरेस्टेड टू लिसन मी, हैला. तो बेले तमे देखि तो ओडे रियलाइज करथिबो जे तमे जस्ट कथा कहि आरंभ करते अलगा माने ओडे अलगा प्रकार मुह बनेबे बा अलगा को गोळे पळै जिबे, न सुनिला भलिया हेबे, then it will discourage the speaker. So listening skill is also very important. से अलगा माने सुनिया कथा जे कहउचंदी, जे अपर पार्टी थिबे से माने मध्य सुनिबा कथा से सब जिंस. And again you have to also give as a listener some type of feedback मध्य तुमको दबार अछि. So it is nothing but listening skill. Questioning also plays very important role in the process of communication discussion. What do you mean by questioning skill?
Questioning skills means if we ask question, then we can give the proper understanding of the topic, ma'am. If we have any doubt, then we need to ask the proper question to the speaker so that our doubt will be clear, ma'am.
So questioning skills are also very important. केमिति कोइ बेले बेले हम क्लासरूम रे मध्य टीचर क्वेश्चन करि थांदे, सो को बळे क्वेश्चन करिवे जदर पिला माने रिस्पांस करि परिबे. बेले बेले बहुत कष्ट क्वेश्चन पचारि दे थांदी, बहुत सहज क्वेश्चन पचारि दे थांदी, किबा ठीक से क्वेश्चन पचारि पारि न थांदी, सो द डिस्कशन मध्य ठीक से हेइ पारि न थाए. सो को बळे क्वेश्चन पचारिबा, किभଳି भाबरे ताको रिस्पांस पाइ ताको मोटिवेट करिबा, ए सब जिंस बहुत इंपोर्टेंट. And sometimes students, they are also want to ask something, but they never ask those questions in the classroom because of the lack of the skill of asking questions. केमती क्वेश्चन पचार से विषय मध्ये सेमाने सेतिकी शिखि नथांती सेतिकी स्किलफुल हेई नथांती बा सेतिकी दक्षता तांकर नथाय. सो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल रे एई चारटा स्किल आसी जाउची verbal, writing, listening and questioning skills. Now coming to the next unit, that is unit 3, classroom communication. So in the last unit we have discussed about communication during education and training. But whenever we are moving to this classroom communication, that means we are moving to the micro level of teaching, that is classroom communication. Okay, classroom रे आमे किभଳି भाबरे communicate करिबा. So first of all, nature of classroom communication. So nature is two-way communication. So in the classroom we have to communicate. As a teacher we have to encourage for the two-way communication. So sometimes one-way communication is going on, where a teacher is the dominant person and students are only partial, they are listening something. So it is not a very ideal classroom, but whenever we are learning about communication process, we have to give emphasis on two-way communication. So what do you mean by this two-way communication?
Two-way communication means the communications which takes place between the two people. That the two people are more than two people, but when the speaker speaks something, he expects something in return. That means when the teacher asks some question, he also expects some answer from the students. If the students doesn't answer, then it may not be a two-way classroom. But if the student answer or give the proper uh, answer to the teacher, then it is called two-way communication. Also, the student also asks some question to the teacher, ma'am, and the teacher also give the answer to their question. So it is called two-way communication.
Two-way process means whenever teacher is saying something, students are also responding to that stimulus. They are also reacting. They are also asking questions. They are actively participating in that teaching learning process or communication. That is nothing but two-way process of interaction. If it is one way, only teacher is something and students are not saying something, that means it is not a very much ideal communication state. Okay, it is a partial type of communication, we can say. It is not active or ideal type. So one of the nature is of classroom communication is it is two-way communication. Classroom रे सबबळे student माने मध्य actively participate करिया कथा. They should also ask their doubts, queries, and they should also react or give feedback to the teachers what they have learned. That is why whenever we are teaching in the classroom, we also follow discussion method. We also follow different types of evaluation strategies within the classroom. Side by side of teaching, we are also assessing our students by asking some questions. At the end of the teaching, also we are asking some questions to them at the evaluation phase, so that we can get some feedbacks regarding the quality of our classroom or quality of our teaching. କେମିତି ପାଠ ପଢା ହେଲା ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିଥାଉ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଫିଡବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଆଣିଥାଉ. ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିକି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଇଣ୍ଟରାକ୍ସନ୍ କରିଥାଉ, ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆୱାର କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ୍ ବିକମ୍ ଟୁ ୱେ. Then class size and communication. So it is very important that as per the class size, we have to also design our communication strategies. So whenever we are teaching, we are also organizing tuition tutors, their individual instruction we are giving to the students. किछि individual guidance हमें पिला को देइथाउ बा कथावार्ता हेइथाउ. Individually we are putting some questions, we are interacting with our students. That is nothing but the individual instruction. Okay, so sometime our class size is very small, so small group instruction it is given, and large group instruction. Whenever we are having large sized classroom, that time we make large groups. Small group with 3 to 4 students may be there. but large group means above 7 6 to 6 and above 6-7 जन पिला मध्ये थाई कि गोटे गोटे ग्रुप करथांती तांको मध्ये आमे किछि इंस्ट्रक्शन देई था so we are addressing to that particular group in that communication यदि गोटे पिला रही बा गोटे पिला को धर आमे टार्गेट करी कथार्ता होउची बा ताको टीचिंग दोउचे मेनली ट्यूशन हो ट्यूटोरियल हो ए टाइम रे हां से टाइम रे आमे इंडिविजुअल इंस्ट्रक्शन देई था तुम एटा पढो तुम एटा करो एई भळे आमे कहि था स्मॉल ग्रुप इंस्ट्रक्शन माने दलगत कार्य आमे जने करूचे किछि ग्रुप रे करूचे ताहले आमे ताको मध्ये किछि इंस्ट्रक्शन देई था कॉमन इंस्ट्रक्शन आमे से मानको देई था that is nothing but the small group and large group instruction. Now another part is there in that particular unit. How can we use technology in classroom communication? So you know the teacher is communicating with the students by different types of strategies, methodologies, pedagogical approaches. But whenever we are including technology in our classroom transaction, we have to again think about different types of equipments, different type of softwares, hardwares for classroom instruction. So what are those? OHP. What is OHP? Ke kahibo? OHP
overhead projector ma'am. Overhead projector.
What is that? Overhead projector. Kiye dekhi na overhead
That
projector?
means
तमान को भितर किए overhead projector देखी न प्रायः समस्त देखी तो जेकोसी सेमिनार हो क्लासरूम ट्रांजैक्शन हो हायर एजुकेशन हो प्रोजेक्टर तमे यूज करता हो व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ ओवरहेड प्रोजेक्टर को जितेंद्र को
yes ma'am, overhead projector especially used to display some information or some pictures on the board. That means a white panel or white board is on the wall and a projected light is projected on the screen and we see the information of the picture on that screen ma'am. So in the college seminar and any other functions also they uses the overhead projector to display some information and some videos or pictures on that screen ma'am.
It increases the size of that particular picture paper or some type of drawing or any kind of visuals ताकू बड़ साइज करिकिना हमें प्रोजेक्ट करिकिना कांथरे प्रोजेक्ट करिकिना ताकू हमें देखै थाउ हला दैट इज द OHP. Then audio video resources. So audio video resources what do you mean by that? Audio video resources for classroom transaction.
Audio video resources nowadays if we talk about the audio video resources it is widely available in the internet ma'am. So we use audio as well as video but before some years when firstly we use audio especially we play it with the tape recorder or any other devices but nowadays due to internet facility we play directly from our smartphone ma'am. So we have YouTube for the videos and other video sources are there. We are using the internet as the audio video resources nowadays and it plays a vital role in the classroom situation when we give information to the student rather than the TLM only the material teaching learning material. Audio video resources plays a vital role to provide the proper information and the proper experience to the learner in the classroom situation ma'am.
Yes, audio video resources are those having some type of I mean we can say digital type of resources ताको हमें CD रे भी रखी परिबा CD रे मध्ये ताको स्टोर करी रखी परिबा पेन ड्राइव रे स्टोर करी परिबा जे कोनसी स्टोरिंग डिवाइस अछि सेइथरे हम स्टोर करी परिबा जेमति कि किछि रिकॉर्डिंग करी कि रखी परिबा so that we can also play again and again and we can show those type of videos to our students. Suppose गोटे तमे रखि छ PowerPoint presentation रखि ताकू मते तमे रिसोर्स हिसाब रे नै पारि गोटे ऑडियो वीडियो किछटा शब्द एवं किछि दृश्य सेइथरे थिबो जेमति कोनसी डॉक्यूमेंटरी किछि मूवीज किछि प्रकार रो छोट वीडियो निजे मध्ये शूट करिकिना तमे ताकू जेमति तमे आजिकली विभिन्न प्रकार रो कोन करछो शॉर्ट्स उडा को बनौछो हां बनेकिना तमे रखुछो सेही भळे किछि इनफॉर्मेशनल सोर्स इनफॉर्मेशनल किछि डॉक्यूमेंट्स इनफॉर्मेशनल किछि विजुअल्स ताकू मध्ये तुमे आइदर इंटरनेट स्टोर करि परिबो किंबा ताकू मध्ये सीडी रोम बा तमे सीडी रे किछि रखि परिबो पेन ड्राइव रे रखि परिबो एवं ताकू मध्ये जेले दरकार हबो अगेन एंड अगेन ताकू यूज कर परिबो को भलिया हेतिबो सेटा आइदर किछि ड्रामा किछि मूवीज किछि पावर पॉइंट किछि डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन किछि डॉक्यूमेंटरीज किछि पाठ पढे आजकल तो यूट्यूब रे मध्ये पाठ पढला बेले वीडियो मध्ये रेकॉर्ड करके सब रखुचंदी से भलिया हम तमे रखि परिबो then computer technology means the use of computers in classroom could be for teaching exploring creating composing storing analyzing data or for communicating with others सीधा कंप्यूटर को तम मध्य प्रोजेक्टर सहित ताकू अटैच कर परिबो एवं सेईटा को तुमे टेक्नोलॉजी ताकू यूज कर परिबो कोनसी प्रकार रो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन पाई एक्सप्लोरेशन पाई किछि मात्रा रे स्टोरिंग पाई ए ताकू कंप्यूटर जेतु स्टोरिंग मटेरियल बा प्रोविजन्स रही डाटा को तमे प्रोविजन रही ताको स्टोर करिया पे सेथरे में रखि परिबो एंड यू कैन आल्सो कम्युनिकेट विथ अदर्स कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी तासे तो इंटरनेट मध्ये रही इंटरनेट रे मध्ये तमे कंप्यूटर रे इंटरनेट मध्ये फैसिलिटी आनी किना तमे पिला को डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन भी देई परिबो किबा कोनसी प्रकार रा वेबसाइट रू डायरेक्टली रिसोर्सेस उडा का आनी मध्ये देखै परिबो सो डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजीज आर देयर ऑडियो वीडियो रिसोर्सेस रे आउ मध्ये टेलीविजन टीवी मध्ये आसी परिबो कंप्यूटर छडा ऑडियो वीडियो रिसोर्सेस रे टेलीविजन रिलेटेड किछि माने लर्निंग मटेरियल्स तमे देखै परिबो विभिन्न प्रकार चैनल्स रहउची आजिकली विभिन्न चैनल्स रे मध्ये उपलब्ध रहउची तो से रेडियो रो चैनल्स हो टेलीविजन किछि चैनल्स हो जोटा कि एजुकेशनल सेइथरु मध्ये तमे किछि हेल्प नै परिबो Then coming to the planning classroom communication. So whenever you are planning for classroom communication, role of teacher is very important. Design and presentation. जो टॉपिक नो छ ताको कि बड़ी भाबरे तमे डिजाइन करछो एबो ताकि बड़ी भाबरे प्रेजेंटेशन करछो क्लासरूम रे. It is also very important. So material you have to develop. Either you are recording something or you are creating some kind of shorts or videos, and again you have to design the sequence of that particular program. You can develop some scripting तमे करि परिबो कोनसे जिंस स्टोरी बोर्ड तमे डेवलप करि परिबो गोटे स्टोरी को नै कि गोटे स्क्रिप्ट बनै परिबो स्क्रिप्टिंग रे तमे देखे चिंता करि परिबो ऑडियो कोन हो विजुअल कोन हो एंड अगेन यू हैव टू आल्सो प्रेजेंट इट ओके सो प्रेजेंटेशन मध्ये तुमे क्लासरूम रे केमिति करिवो ताकू मध्ये चिंता करिया पड़िबो एंड डेवलपिंग क्लासरूम कल्चर okay so the technology use of technology in the classroom it should be a kind of culture समस्त जेंति सेउडा को पढिया पई इच्छा करिवे कि आगरु मध्ये तुमे सुनथबो किछि किछि स्कूल ले मध्ये कहते नाइ हम आईसीटी रिलेटेड पाठ पढेबु नै जेंति हम ट्रेडिशनली चलीथिला सेमिति पढेबु कोनोसी प्रकार टेक्नोलॉजी हम यूज करिबु नै सो एई भलिया गोटे चिंता थाले ताका भीतर न थाय कि टेक्नोलॉजी कल्चर को मध्ये हम इनकलकेट करिबा क्लासरूम रे then developing communication skills in learners so whenever we are thinking for classroom transition through technology we have to encourage our learners to ask some questions and we have to also help them to communicate okay whenever this type of presentations are going on if they are having any doubts they must be courageous for asking this type of questions to the teachers okay and they should participate. Okay. So planning for classroom communication means role of teacher is very important. Designing and presenting those materials it is also important. Developing classroom culture and developing communication skills among learners whenever they are going through this classroom transition through technology. Then another part is there creating learning environment. So you know that environment has a very important role for any kind of learning process so for technology based communication in classroom situation we have to think for designing the learning environment properly so here we have to encourage all the students to participate so that is nothing but participatory approach समस्तଙ୍କ भितर गोटे गोटे मोटिवेशन डेवलप हुआ कथा जे आमे मध्ये ई टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड पाठ जले पाठ पढा होउची सेथिरे मध्ये पार्टिसिपेट करिबा empathy ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା କ'ଣ empathy is associated with the feelings of oneness. It is one kind of unconditional positive regards for the receiver and a sincere approach towards promoting a favorable climate to facilitate communication. Okay, so it is very important. So empathy means sometime whenever you are teaching in the classroom using this type of technology, some students, they are having some kind of doubts, they are having some problems. So at that time we have to deal with them with proper empathy, by showing proper empathy, or by expressing this empathy to them. So whenever they are learning through this technology or classroom communication is going on, at that time we have to, as a teacher, we are educationist, we have to show empathy for our students, and we have to deal with proper appreciation and patience. So appreciation, students appreciation, student man को appreciate करिबा से जेतरा technology रे पढुचंदी, and patience, it is also very important. Okay, some technological problems might be there, किछि problem हेई पारे टेक्नोलॉजिकली केते देखुथबो सब जिंस रेडी करके नहीं तो क्लासरूम सिचुएशन रे, बट प्रॉब्लम आसी गेले ताको टेक्नीशियन नथिले किछि देखा जीवनी सुना जीवनी, सो से टाइम रे हमकु टिके पेशेंटफुली से सिचुएशन को हैंडल करिवार अछि. By then only we can create proper learning environment. So whenever we are saying about this learning environment, it means student, teacher, media, all these things are creating proper environment, as well as that physical resources available. So media means the technology, computer, the physical help or physical surrounding. And whenever you are saying about others, stakeholders, teacher and student, they are also the very important part of your learning environment. So in order to boost students intrinsic motivation, we have to show proper empathy to our students, as well as we have to deal with very patientfully in that situation. Okay, as a teacher we have to also think positively and encourage all the students to participate in this technologically assisted communication. बुझिएला?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are moving to the last part of this particular block, that is interactivity in communication. So communication, it is incomplete without proper interaction between the sender and the receiver of message, or teacher or the taught inside the classroom. So how can we design proper interactivity within the classroom communication? केमती तांको भितर इंटरैक्शन हबो. सो बेले बेले पिला माने क्लासरूम सिचुएशन सब जानि थाती, बट दे डोंट वांट टू इंटरैक्ट, दे वांट टू लर्न साइलेंटली. ओके, सो से विषय ए यूनिट रे पढिबा हमें. So interactivity in educational communication. So under that, labels of interactivity and quality learning ए विषय लेखा है. So what are the labels of interactivity? What are the labels of interactivity? Any idea?
I think the levels of interactivity means if a teacher is teaching in the classroom and he is just saying something which is not properly designed for the students. That means a teacher come to the class of class 10, but he is saying something higher level. That means he is teaching something from plus 2 or plus 3. At that time the learner is not up to the level of the teacher, so there may be some gap in communication, and that is the level of communication is different.
Yes, level of interactivity means what is the degree of interaction in between teacher and the student. So what are those level, what are those degree, केते मात्रा रे सेमान को भीतर इंटरैक्शन होची, हाई डिग्री हाई लेवल रो होची कि लो लेवल इंटरैक्शन होची कि किछि मध्यम धरण इंटरैक्शन होची. So सेटा बहुत important, and this interactivity is also dependent on the class size. So class size रो सहित तार गुटे relation टा जेमती कहब आम जदि क्लास साइज अधिक रोचे तो इंटराक्शन टा कम रही है एवं इंटराक्शन जदि क्लास साइज टा कम रोचे ताले इंटराक्शन रो स्कोप सेठी बेसी रही। तुम्हें एबे वर्तमान मात्र 5 जन पिला अछ, so here you may ask many questions to me or you can also give your responses to me। हाँ बहुत अधिक मात्रा तुम इंटराक्शन करि परिबो, ओके, बिकॉज केही एठी कम पिला अछ जेतु बेसी इंटराक्शन रो फैसिलिटी तो एठी मिली परिबो। किंतु हमें देखे रे हाई बेसी साइज टा डेंस हमें डेंस क्लासरूम बा अधिक पिला थिबा क्लास रे हमें देखिबा तो बहुत कम चांस मिली था इंटराक्शन रो, काहे कि टाइम रो स्कोप कम थाए एवं समय रो स्पेस रो ए सब रो इंटराक्शन पई का कम आसी थाए। तो एठी जेतु स्मॉल ग्रुप रहिछ, स्मॉल ग्रुप रे बेसी भलो इंटराक्शन रो लेवल टा अधिक रही थाए, इंटराक्शन टा बेसी हेई परिबो एवं कम्युनिकेशन पई का लेवल ऑफ इंटरएक्टिविटी हमको देखिया परबो जे हाई अछि कि लो अछि। जदि लो कम्युनिकेशन इंटरएक्शन रहुची ताहले हमें ताको कहबा जे दैट इज नॉट ए वेरी क्वालिटी लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट, गुड गुड लर्निंग इंटरएक्शन नुह। So this another bit is there, interactivity and quality of learning. So more the interaction, the quality of learning will be more, because whenever we are we are communicating with each other inside the classroom, so you have to also give some type of feedbacks, your reactions, your answers or queries you can also ask. So by that your learning will be more. But if some students they are not interacting, they are silent, that means their mind is also working somewhere else. Some students they are thinking, they are working in other place also, but they are showing like that they are also learning. So whenever you're interacting with the teacher or your expert, at that time your mind should be very much active by the interaction. But आम interaction सेति पई करथाउ जे पिला को बेसी active भी करि परिबा। So interaction has a very good relationship or direct relationship with the quality of learning, okay, तो बहिरे देइछि पढिबो। Now coming to some interactive media, some interactive medias are there for quality learning. So what are those? Interactive radio, audio conferencing or audio graphics, teleconferencing, video conferencing, computer based interactive media, networked and online learning. So what is interactive radio? Kiye kahebo? Interactive radio kono? Can you give me some example of interactive radio?
Ma'am, I think interactive radio, there are some stations in which some persons are invited and some interaction takes place between the speaker and the presenters. At that time, they interact with each other and some information is given to the audience. This is, I think, the interactive radio, ma'am.
So sometime तबे सुनथुवा कि म्यूजिक बा सॉन्ग सुना जाते इंटरेक्शन कराई थे, तो सेइथरे मध्ये हमें कहि पारे ओडे इंटरेक्शन होची। फोन इन जेमती टेलीविजन रे मध्ये फोन इन गोटे प्रोग्राम हेई थाय किछि फोन रे मध्ये किछि क्वेश्चन पचारि थांती, मेसेज देई थांती, सेइथरु रे मध्ये इंटरेक्शन हेई थाय। तो इंटरेक्टिव रेडियो रे गोटे स्टेशन रु किछि एक्सपर्ट आसी किना से माने मध्ये किछि पाठ पढ़ा संबंधी कथा कहि थांती एवं जहार जहार डाउट है से माने मध्ये क्वेश्चन पचारि थांती। फोन रे हो बा कोनोसी मेसेज देखिना हो से माने मध्ये पचारि थांती, सेई भलिया मध्ये गोटे हेई परियो। Audio conferencing and audio graphics, what do you mean by that? What is audio conferencing and audio graphics? जेमती तम माने कथार्ता हला बेलकु गोटे फोन रे कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग करछ ना नाही, जेमती तो बहुत टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांस हे गेलानी, आगुरु बहुत कम थिला। तो फोन रे मध्ये जने टीचर रहि किना बाकी समस्ते इंटरेक्शन फोन रे जोड़ी किना तम माने सब जो फोन रे कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग करजो, दैट इज आल्सो वन एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. एंड व्हाट इज ऑडियो ग्राफिक्स? ऑडियो ग्राफिक्स कोन की कहबो? ऑडियो ग्राफिक्स
Ma'am, audio graphics, ma'am, means some pictures will be there, and about the picture, someone describing that with that audio, we can relate the picture with that with some of the topic, ma'am.
yes, some type of graphs will be there and someone is describing it. बेले बेले देखुथु गोटे टेलीविजन प्रोग्राम रे मध्ये सेमति थाए, तमे काहाकू देखि पारि न था, बट गोटे साउंड बा गोटे वॉइस किछि डिस्क्रिप्शन देइ थाए कोनसी प्रकार रो ड्राइंग ऊपर बा किछि कोनसी प्रकार रो गोटे पिक्चर ऊपर. तो दैट इज आल्सो वन एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑडियो ग्राफिक्स हमें कहि परिबा. आउ मध्ये व्हाट्सएप रे मध्ये तम देखिए बहुत सारा फीचर्स उडा कर रहिछि ऑडियो रिलेटेड वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग, वॉइस रे मध्ये रिकॉर्ड करि किना किछि हमें वार्ता देइ पारुछु समस्त गोटे ग्रुप रे मध्ये कहजो जेमति कि तम ग्रुप रे धरा मु कहबी गोटे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप रे तम थिबो, मु हती सेठी गोटे वार्ता देबी, गोटे मेसेज देबी जे आज क्लास रे समस्ते उपस्थित रहिबो जेमिति हेले भी, तो सेटा समस्त को पाखकू गला हैला सब जिंस विषय. तो दैट इज वन काइंड ऑफ ऑडियो वॉइस आमे समस्त को प्रेरण कर तो बहुत गोटे मास को पाखकू सेही मेसेजटा पळेला. तो एई भलिया मध्ये आमे ऑडियो को यूज करिकि मध्ये कम्युनिकेट करिवा गोटे जिंस गोटे मेसेज आमे समस्त को पाखकू पठेई परिबा. देन टेली कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग एंड वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग हैला. टेली कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कोन सेटा कहउथि टेली आमे टेली कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग आ वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग आगु टेली कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग बहुत होउतला कि कहबो टेली कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग आ वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग विषय की कहि परिबो?
And teleconferencing means that is one type of audio conferencing, ma'am. In that conferencing, we just connected some of the members, we are here in the Google Meet, that is video conferencing. But in
Yes.
teleconferencing, we are
आमे बर्तमान
connected.
वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग रे अछि समस्त बुकर जदि कहबे एबे वीडियो ऑन कर समस्त ऑन करके रहिछ केवल पिक्चर टा देखा होछि केवल मोर ही एकला वीडियो आसुछि. मु जदि कहबे एबे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग करिया समस्त को वीडियो ऑन करा जिवो एवं समस्तंकर मुह देखा जिवो समस्त किछि किछि कथा कहबे ताले सेटा गोटे कोन हो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग हो. आ टेली कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कोन जोथरे आमे कि केवल साउंड रे आमे समस्त सहित डिस्कशन करिया किछि माने तम माने एबे भी अधा टेली रे ही अछ कार वीडियो देखा जाउनी हो कि नै को?
Yes, ma'am.
हां केवल वॉइस सुबुची एबे समस्त टिके वीडियो देखा वाला नै वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग मध्ये हेई परिबो. हां एबे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग हैला माने आमे समस्त कर वीडियो को ऑन कले एवं सेइथरे आमे समस्त सहित डिस्कशन कले. सो इट्स ए काइंड ऑफ वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. So video conferencing means sometime it is required कारण बेले बेले आमे किछि समस्तंकर पाखरे किछि किछि इंफॉर्मेशन थाए जोटा कि से माने शेयर करिया को चाहथांती. And this type of sound related conferencing through video conferencing ta besi effective kon pai. Here we can also observe some kind of visuals, किछि visuals मध्ये देखि पारथौ किछिटा expressions, non verbal gesture, posture plus some type of presentation सेटा मध्ये हमें करि परथौ. That is why it is very important visual conferencing. So केमती से माने कहउछन, so that is more interesting. But in case of teleconferencing we are not able to watch somebody काको हमें देखि परिबानी. तो सेइथरे कोन हुए इंटरेस्ट कमी जीवो एवं एइथरे हमें परस्पर सहित गोटे ह्यूमनिटी जेमति ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप गोटे वर्चुअल ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप हम भितरे गठित हेइ थाए. ठीक अछि. अच्छा आउ कोन आगुरु गोटे थिला तमर इग्नू प्रोग्राम रे हो बा आउ कोनसी सेंटर रे एडल्ट एजुकेशन सेंटर रे सैटेलाइट थ्रू रे आमे मध्ये आमे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग करि परिया. नॉट थ्रू इंटरनेट, आल्सो सैटेलाइट थ्रू रे मध्ये आमे कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग करि परथे. टेलीविजन सेते कोन हुए ना सैटेलाइट थ्रू रे हमर किछि इंफॉर्मेशन बा मेसेज जाई थाए टेक्नोलोजिकली सैटेलाइट्स गुड़ाक रही इनसैट है से थ्रू रे मध्य आमे जो वीडियोटा सब स्थान आमे सेटा को प्रेरण करि परिबा गोटे सेंटर को हला सेठी मध्य रही कि किछि वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग हेई परिबो हला सेही बडा टेक्नोलॉजी मध्य आगुरु बहुत चालुतला जोटा इग्नोरे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग टेली कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग एवडा को सब बेसी होता किंतु वर्तमान कोन होची कंप्यूटर बेस्ड इंटरेक्शन मीडिया पळे आसला दैट इज रिप्लेसिंग this video conferencing teleconferencing so though we are saying television ho ba video conferencing ho seta ame kichi gude କରୁଥିଲେ ଇନସାଇଟ୍ ରେ ବା ସାଟେଲାଇଟ୍ ଥ୍ରୁ ରେ କରୁଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତାକୁ ଆମେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ରେ ବହୁତ ଇଜିଲି କରି ପାରୁଛି इंटरनेट थ्रू रे तो जेमती गूगल मीट हला स्काइप हला आउ हमरो आउ कोन रहिछि मीडिया
जूम मैम
रहिछि हां ता थ्रू रे मध्ये हम इंटरेक्शन करि पारुछि एंड इट इज बिकमिंग मोर पॉपुलर आउ से जो थिला आगुरु वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग रही गोटे रूम रे रहिबे समस्ते विभिन्न स्थान रु फोन थ्रू रे मध्ये सेटा गोटे वीडियो टेली कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग होउतला से सब धीरे धीरे से सब पळे गलानी कारण एटा बेसी कम समय रे बहुत लोगों को बहुत जल्दी आमे सब इंटरेक्शन करि पारछु हैला देन आउ गोटे हला तमरा नेटवर्क एंड ऑनलाइन लर्निंग जोटा कि इंटरनेट नेटवर्क एंड ऑनलाइन लर्निंग सो जोटा आमे कंप्यूटर मीडिया रे करथले वर्तमान मध्ये इंटरनेट थ्रू रे मध्ये ऑनलाइन लर्निंग करायोछि इट्स ए काइंड ऑफ एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑनलाइन लर्निंग केवल एई काउंसलिंग क्लास नु बहुत गुटे ऑनलाइन कोर्स मध्ये आसी गलानी इग्नोर देखिबो ऑनलाइन एडमिशन मध्ये रहउछि जे तमे गुटे रहिछ ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट ऑल ऑफ यू आर ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट some students are doing their degrees master degrees diploma degrees certificate degrees through online mode माने तांकर गोटे LMS अछि learning management system LMS so they are having some kind of login password so अछि login password and if you are entering into that then you will find some type of description regarding kebe class habo कोन सबु तमर मटेरियल्स अछि केबे तमर रूटीन वाइज क्लास करा जाउची केबे असाइनमेंट दबो तार गुटे मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम गुटे डेवलप होईची लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम LMS एवं से इधर से माने ऑनलाइन लर्निंग करिवे ताकर ऑनलाइन असाइनमेंट ऑनलाइन एडमिशन ऑनलाइन असाइनमेंट मार्किंग सब ताकर सब ऑनलाइन होची सो देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्रोसीजर so everything is online सब ऑनलाइन मटेरियल तो जदी ऑफलाइन रे पाउचे से सब ऑनलाइन रे सब पाइबे मटेरियल्स गुडे को पीपीटी वीडियोस it will be also given to them this learning resources will be also given to them okay so different जेमती हमर रहिला स्वयं पोर्टल ले किछि पिला तमे पढुथबो सेडा सब ऑनलाइन रे मध्ये होची ऑनलाइन एग्जाम मध्ये हो जस्ट बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑनलाइन लर्निंग okay and whenever you are saying about online learning किछटा मध्ये बिना किछि सॉफ्टवेयर बा किछि प्रोग्राम रे मध्ये जे जने चाहिबे जे कोन से समय ताको पढि परिबे इंटरैक्शंस एंड लर्निंग सो या ऊपर किछटा फैक्टर्स विषय डिस्कशन कराइछि जेंती एक्सेस एंड यूटिलाइजेशन इंस्ट्रक्शनल डिजाइन टाइम मैनेजमेंट डेवलपिंग लर्निंग स्ट्रेटजीज टेक्निकल फैक्टर्स organizational factors so whenever we are saying about communication through this technology we have to also think about interaction styles like access and utilization imti amaro adhiko pila stre access habe ba enroll hebe এবং সমস্ত को সেটা মিলি পারিবো instructional design that means whenever we are designing our teaching कहा परे कोन पढ़ा जीवो को भले मटेरियल दिया जीवा को भले असाइनमेंट दिया जीवो तार गोटे प्लान इंस्ट्रक्शनल डिजाइन टाइम मैनेजमेंट कोड समय रे कोटा पाठ पढ़ा जीवो तार गोटे मैनेजमेंट एथिने जे गोटे क्लास चलथिबो माने चलथिबो तार किछि टाइम लिमिट नथिबो 45 मिनिट्स में आमे एतिकी पाठ पढेबा एतिकी इंटरेक्शन करिबा पिला को सहित एतिकी क्वेश्चन पचारिबा पिला को ए सब टाइम मैनेजमेंट मध्ये रहिछि डेवलपिंग लर्निंग स्ट्रेटजीज so what type of methodologies we are following what type of strategies we are following what type of approaches we are using whether constructivist approach activity approach traditional approach or any kind of strategy को मेथड में पाठ पढौछु ताकू मध्ये हमको चिंता करिया को पड़िबो then technical factors what type of techniques we are selecting and how are we organizing all these things, all this type of technology, media, students, or time, how are we organizing everything? So for interaction, each thing, each dimension or each strategy, all these things are very important. So organizational factors are very important. So এই ୟୁନିଟ୍ରେ এই ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି କୁହାଯାଇଛି। ତମେ ପଢ, କିଛି ଡାଉଟ୍ସ ଆସିଲେ ମତେ ପଚାରିବ। এই ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ୟୁନିଟ୍ରେ କଣ ତମର ସବୁ ଡାଉଟ୍ସ ରହିଛି କୁହ। କେହି ପଢିଛ ନା ନ ପଢିଛ ସବୁ? କିଛି ପଢିଛ କି ଏ ବିଷୟରେ? ଆଗରୁ କିଏ ପଢିଛ କି? So next
हम
class ରେ
आगरू पढ़ुଛୁ
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
हम
ତମେ ଆଉ
आगरू पढ़ुଛୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ
ହୁଁ।
ପଢିନୁ ଏଇ ଟପିକ ଟା ଯୋଉ ବିଷୟ ବହି ଯୋଉ ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ଆସିଛି ସେଟାକୁ ପଢିନୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଗରୁ ପଢିଥିଲୁ।
ହଁ ବହିରେ ଅଧିକ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଯାହା ବି ପାୱାରପଏଣ୍ଟ ଡେଭଲପ କରିଛି ବହିକୁ ହିଁ ରେଫର କରିକି ତମର ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ୍ସ କୁ ରେଫର କରିକି ହିଁ ବନେଇଛି। ଆଉ ଏଇ ପଏଣ୍ଟସ ଗୁଡାକ ହିଁ ବହିରେ ଅଛି। ତେଣୁ ତମେ ଆଜି ଆଉ ଥରେ ତମେ ପଢ ଏବଂ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ ମତେ 13 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ହବ। 13 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଆମେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ କୁ ଯିବା। କିନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ଯଦି ଡାଉଟ୍ସ ରହିଛି, ତମେ କୌଣସି ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ରେ ବୁଝି ପାରୁନ, ତମେ ସେତେବେଳେ ମତେ ପଚାରି ପାରିବ। ଠିକ ଅଛି। ତପସ୍ୱିନୀ, ଦୁଷ୍ମନ୍ତ,
ହଁ ମ୍ୟାମ୍।
ରାଜେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସାର୍, ଇତିନା, ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମାନେ
ମ୍ୟାମ୍।
ସମସ୍ତେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ?
ହଁ ମ୍ୟାମ୍।
ଠିକ ଅଛି। ହଁ। ତ କମ ପିଲା ଅଛନ୍ତି, ତଥାପି ଆମେ କ୍ଲାସ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବା ସବୁ ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁକା ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ୱାଇଜ କଣ ସବୁ ରହିଛି। ଆଉ ଯାହା ବି ଡାଉଟ୍ସ ରହିଛି, ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଥମ କ୍ଲାସରେ ତ ସବୁ ଯେହେତୁ ଜାଣିନଥିବେ ଯେମିତି ପଢିକି ଆସିକି ସବୁ ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା। ଏଇଟା ଆମେ ଟିଚିଂ ଏଇଠି ନୁହଁ, ବଟ୍ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଡିସ୍କସନ ଏଇଠି କରିବା। କୋଉଟା କୋଉ ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ଆମେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲେନି, ମେନ୍ କାଉନସିଲିଂ କ୍ଲାସର ଏଇଟା ହିଁ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାନ୍ସ। ମୁଁ ବାସ୍ କେବଳ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ ମେନ୍ ମେନ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡା କଣ ରହିଛି ମନେ ପକେଇଦେବି ଏବଂ ସେଇ ରିଲେଟେଡ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆପଣମାନେ ପଚାରି ପାରିବେ, ଡିସ୍କସନ ମଧ୍ୟ କରିପାରିବା। ଏବଂ ଯଦି ନ ବୁଝି ପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝେଇଦେବି ସେ ବିଷୟରେ। ଠିକ ଅଛି।
यस मैम।
ଠିକ
Yes
ଅଛି।
ମ୍ୟାମ୍।
ତ ଏଇଠି କ୍ଲାସ ରଖୁଛି ଏବଂ ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ ବିଷୟରେ କେହି ଜଣେ ପଚାରୁଥିଲେ, ସେଟା ଆମେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାସରେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା। ଯୋଉଦିନ ଆମର ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଥିବ, ଏବେ ତ ଆମେ ୟୁନିଟ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ପଢିକି ଯିବା, ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ ବା ତମର ଯୋଉ ରହିଛି ବ୍ଲକ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ସାରିବା ଏବଂ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଯୋଉ କ୍ଲାସଟା ଆମର ଯେବେ ଆସିବ, ମୋଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋବାବଲି କିଛି ଦିନ ପରେ ଆସିବ ସେଇଟା, ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ ବିଷୟରେ, କେମିତି ଲେଖିବା, କଣ ଲେଖିବା। ସେଦିନ ଆମେ ଏଇ ପେପର ଟୁ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ଯୋଉଟା ରହିଛି ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। ତେଣୁ ୱରିଡ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ। ଅଜୟ ସାର୍ ବୋଧେ ନାହାନ୍ତି ଏବେ? ସାର୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି? ଅଜୟ ସାର୍ ନାହାନ୍ତି, ସାର୍ ନାହାନ୍ତି। ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଆମର ତ ସରିଗଲାଣି, ଟାଇମ ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଇଗଲାଣି। ତ ଏଇଠି ମୁଁ ରଖୁଛି କ୍ଲାସଟା।
थैंक यू मैम।
ୱେଲକମ୍ ୱେଲକମ୍।
Thank you ମ୍ୟାମ୍।